Hi, my name is Ritesh Singh and I'm working in expansion as well as I'm working in VCBS project as a database architect. I had designed this voice operated robotic tank. Why I designed this? I designed this because in battlefield there are soldiers who are going to risk their life. So this is going to provide a artillery support where we can save the life of soldiers by providing artillery support and as well as by sending a rocket to the real target. So let me go ahead and explain how this component works. So we have used two Arduino devices which is having a microcontroller. We have used two L2D98 motor drivers who is going to control the motors. We have used this Bluetooth device who is going to accept the signals whatever is going to be sent over the Wi-Fi. We have used one battery. This is a heavy battery of 12 volts. We have used this box which is our rocket launcher box. This is going to be as a jack who is going to take an aim on the target, and on the basis of that this is going to fire the rocket. We have also used 4 motors which is a 1000 RPM motor which will help this tank to move in any direction as the way we want. So let me explain you some details about this. On this Arduino board, whenever I'm going to give a command from the voice by using a cell phone, this is a Bluetooth device. This will going to accept the signal, pass on to the Arduino board. This is a microcontroller. This is going to process the code which we have written in Arduino language. Then this signals will be passed on to the pins. On this pin, this will be sent over the cable to the L2D98 motor driver, and as per the command and the pin is going to be enabled, this will send the signal to the cable where this cable is attached to the motors, where this motor will start moving in a direction the way we want. Now we have used the another Arduino board where we have written a code which is going to send the signal to this rocket launcher in order to lift the jack, as well as this is going to fire the rocket. And how this is going to fire the rocket? This is by using the nichrome wire. This nichrome wire can be enlightened by using the battery as well as the motor driver in order to lift this jack to take a aim on any target. If you can see over here, we have used one of the motor which is going to move on clock direction and anti-clock direction, and once this motor starts moving in clock direction, we have used our nut and bolts which is made of iron. If it starts moving in clock direction, this will lift up the jack like this way, and vice versa. Once it starts moving in anti-clock direction, this jack will go down, and once we say like we have to fire the rocket, this nichrome wire will be lightened up and our rocket will be fired. So this is something we have made it. This is a robot. We can use it in multiple ways in a battlefield. So let's go ahead and see how this works.